Shapes are the building blocks of cartoon characters. In this video, I'm going to show you how I draw my lunch lady character using shapes. Okay, well, technically I'm paper Jarrett J. Krosoczka, but you know, the human Jarrett J. Krosoczka is going to show you. You know what I mean. Today I'm going to be showing you how I draw Lunch Lady, the hero from my graphic novel series. So when I am drawing my characters, I always begin by drawing a few shapes. With my Lunch Lady character, I draw an upside down teardrop, and then I draw a regular ended teardrop, and this will serve as the basis of my character. This will be the character's head and the character's body. And I'm sorting out now the pose of the character, so where the legs will go, where the arms will go. The reason why I do a quick gesture sketch like this, I mean, if there's something I don't like, if I'm not happy with the way that arm is positioned, it's easy for me to erase it and make a change. Okay, now on top of this gesture sketch, I'll sketch out the details of the character. Lunch Lady has big hair, it's up in a perm. She wears glasses. Going to give her a menacing expression so that the villains know not to mess with her. I draw a little collar around her neck and then her apron. And even though the apron covers a lot of her body, I still have to understand how everything is fitting together underneath that drapery. She wears 2 yellow rubber gloves. There's a little knot behind her on the apron there. And then she has cuffed jeans. Now next up, I draw the finished line work, and I like to draw my finished line work with a brush because you get a very dynamic line when you draw with a brush. Of course, if you have any kind of marker, you can absolutely use that as well. It takes a lot of practice and a lot of training to learn how to draw with a brush. And did you know that my character was actually inspired by the real-life lunch lady I had as a kid? So take all of the lessons you learned today from this video and turn your lunch lady into a superhero or any unsung hero from your school that makes a huge difference every single day.